Everybody say,
hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how I achieved this gorgeous, this amazing sewing. And God, I didn't think I'll be able to do it, but like, you never know how to do something unless you try, so don't forget. And before we move into the video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. I would like to give a big shout out to my dear and to Nana Ichiwa Kodia, the latest mom in town. I'd like to say God bless you and we love you so much, okay? Mwah! Let's just get straight into that.
yeah, Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Zion. You're my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. What?